YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Sneakers on Pluto, man. Damn, I don't even know what to say first. It's good to be here, man. It's good to be here. It's good to be here. It's gonna be my first video. As you can see from the title, it's an unboxing. I'm just gonna be unboxing 2 pairs of shoes. I'm really hyped up. One's a recent cop. The other one is a random cop. But yeah, I just thought, you know, it'd be a good way to bring in, you know, my time on YouTube, bringing content to this channel. You know, and we here, baby. We here. Let's get it. But as for right now, we gonna get into this unboxing. Like I said, it's good to be here. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it. Let's get into it. All right, you guys. So first, shout outs to Kicks Daily Kicks. It's a shop, a sneaker shop, buy, sell, trade, consignment in Florida. Hialeah, however you pronounce that. But yeah, it's in Florida. Shout outs to them. I usually cop from them. Probably like every 6 months. It depends, but I be copying like random shit from them sometimes because they be having good deals. It just depends. If I see some on there I like or I want it or some shit that's for a good, you know, nice little ticket on it, I'll probably copy. But we're gonna get into this first box. And the box, I'm gonna show y'all the box though. They sent me a big ass box. I know what's in here. I ain't gonna tell y'all what's in here. I'm gonna just show y'all, but it's a big ass box. It's only one shoe box in this one, and then this is the other one right here. But it's only one in this one. Oh yeah. Shouts out to them though. I don't get tape all over my damn floor. And I've been having these boxes for like probably like 4 or 5 days now. So now y'all kind of feel my frustration. Y'all can see that I'm still cutting the tape off these boxes. They put one box in another box and then tape them. But one box is open, the other one is shoved inside the open bit. I don't know. I ain't gonna keep explaining it, but. And all right. So boxes out of there. As you can see, it's a LeBron. It's a LeBron 9 Elite. Box is pretty trashed. It's pretty used. These are lightly used from Kicks Daily. I don't know if y'all getting that tag. I'm using my phone camera, so shit. And I'm not doing no damn review. This is not a review. It's just an unboxing. So I'm just unboxing these, showing y'all. And by the way, this is Nike LeBron 9 Elite, Varsity Maze, white, black, sport red, Maze colorway. Here we go. It is lightly used, cause it still looks pretty. It looked pretty good. It looked pretty good, but this is it. This is the random cop. Picked these up by 145, and yeah, these things still look good. Look at that. That's a piece of lint though. Dude, spider web in them. I got spider webs and shit. I gotta clean them. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna take the other one out real quick. Damn, it's in better condition than I thought. Cause I didn't buy them. I didn't buy these dead stock. You know, lightly used. But even this one. Only flaw is obviously bottom laces. You know, shoestrings. Not even. Yeah. Nah, these in good condition. Carbon's look a little funny. Camera probably is picking it up, but that's about the only thing. But 145 to the rotation. Once I clean them, I'll probably show y'all the fit I rock with it later video. But yeah, that's the random cop. Huge LeBron fan. Love LeBron. All right, time for number two. Now this one, recent cop. It was a recent one, and I tried to hit. I had at least 2 accounts. Each store that was doing an online raffle, I probably had 2 accounts for each one of those. So Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs, Finish Line, Hibbit. Even a few others, but I had 2 I didn't hit, and yeah, but I'm pretty sure everybody know about Soul Links. It's always gonna be restocks. Follow Soul Links, download Twitter. Soul Links always tweets out restocks, mainly restocks really. That's pretty much the, you know, what you go to their page for, catch a restock, but you can see they tweet as soon as they tweet it. So as soon as they post a restock, you can be on that. You can be on it. But that's basically how I hit for these, like days, maybe even over a week after they already had dropped. But of course, Soul Links, I always got my notifications on. The one time my phone ringer it's never on. The one time it is on, I'm in a bed sleep. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I kid you not, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning. I turn over about 4 or 5 times, just yelling at the damn phone, like, why is it going, like, what the hell is going off at 4 o'clock in the morning? Why my phone keep going off 4 o'clock in the morning? Finally go over to check it, and it's them sending me notifications, restocks, and the last one that hit my phone. So yeah, that last notification was them tweeting a link to a restock. And I turned over, all I had to do, easy cart. I didn't have to keep pressing it. I didn't have to keep trying to cart, none of that. It was 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, so it wasn't that much traffic. So I hit, carted easily, got my side, check out, boom, turned back over, went back to sleep. Out like a light. All right. This is gonna be via Foot Locker. All right. Show you what this is. Boom. Foot Locker shipping. No, boom. Bet you see Foot Locker. First time seeing these in person. I've been having them, like I said earlier in the video, I've been having these boxes for probably like 4 or 5 days, or I've just been waiting to do the unboxing for this video, to record this video for y'all. My first video. Like, comment, sub, please. I appreciate it. It'll help your boy out. And yeah, man, let's get back into it. This one, Soul Links. Shout out Soul Links. Follow them. Like I said, if you missed a shoe, they're gonna drop a link. Whenever there's a restock for any site, they'll drop a link. All you gotta do is try to cart it, and boom, you in there. All right, so can't see that. Good box. It's not a review. It is unboxing. All right, first time seeing these. That's tough. Alternate Great 5s. Shoe I picked up. Soles are clean. You know, it's a dead stock shoe, but bruh. Oh, that is a suede. Oh shit. God damn. Crazy. Hey, that's some good suede. That shit. I was about to say the shoe was worn, bro. Nah, it's a dead stock shoe. See if the camera can pick that up good. And that's the alternate, grape alternate 5. You know what I'm saying? This one. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try this at home. All right, it's good luck. Let's take the other one out. All right. See, it looked like somebody had worn it, scratched it up, but that's that suede. That suede on there is crazy, bro. That suede on there is crazy, bro. Like, that's crazy, bro. They not going for much right now, StockX. I say my size probably going with 235, 240, some shit like that. No more than 250, bro. He's not going for that much, man. If you can get them. You know what I'm saying? Because the quality on them, they ain't one. And personally, I knew the quality were good on them before I even, you know what I'm saying? Before I even seen them in person. It's my first time seeing them in person, but I already knew from what everybody was saying. And the quality, the suede is good too. The suede is good. It's a beautiful shoe. It's a beautiful shoe. All right, man. Phone finna die. I did a whole bunch of talking. Alternate Great 5s. Got the LeBron. Taxi, Bumblebees, whatever you want to call them. Dope pickup. I actually like that pickup. You know, first pair of yellow shoes. I don't have no yellow shoes, so that's pretty much why. And then these, I wanted these quality on them. I knew that suede was gonna be crazy. All purple suede on the midsole and the upper. It's crazy with the glazed bottom. Tongues 3M. I don't got a flashlight to show y'all or nothing, but the tongue's definitely 3M. Beautiful shoes. I love it. I love both of them. Good pickups. With the happiness, you know what I'm saying? I'm just glad to be here, ready to make memories. Sneakers on Pluto. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I think that's it, man. I think that's it.